Well, this started as a brainstorming idea that I actually had with my principal, Shawn. We were trying to come up with something that we could do that was hands-on with our kids who needed something other than straightforward academics. So we brainstormed different projects, hands-on projects, and we came up with the coffee carts for the 4th and 5th graders. We try to start around 7:30, and the kids come in, they have different jobs. I prep them, it's ongoing teaching.
My daughter.
All right. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too. I was with Miss Maas one day, and then she asked me that I want to do a business called the Coffee Cart, and I said yes. My favorite part is doing the orders and collecting the money. I have a good time doing it with my friends because we're so close to where we have so much fun together.
They're also learning those interpersonal skills when they have to relate to the adults in the building, learning manners, learning how to the give and take. We have gotten some great feedback from the teachers. They love it. They ask, "Are we doing the coffee cart?" And it's been a real fun community project. The kids have had more ownership. They have a space now that they can actually move in, and it feels more like a regular coffee shop. I'm able to let them have their independence more. I'm just glad that we're able to do this and hope we can continue with different projects like this because children need hands-on learning, and we've got to get them out of their desk